So I designed these by myself. A friend of mine called Nylander did a CAD file that we could send to the factory. And these are also made by me to fit here for the buttons, but you don't have to use them if you don't want to. You can just leave it open to push the buttons, or you can use these to get this flush look. And I made it out of real glass. So now we just remove this protective film, turn it upside down, and just take this tape. And this is the top of the glass, so you want to make sure you make like a U here so that no dust can come inside. We will also have to put one here, so same thing there, so the dust don't come in. That would be kind of devastating to get dust in there. So then it's time to install it. So let's move the steering wheel out of the way as much as we can. And on the old screen here you have a little knob to adjust the light. And to get rid of it, you just pull it out and you're done. And now before you attach the glass, really make sure that it's dust free. It would be devastating to have a lot of dust behind there, don't you think? Now we peel these off. You can always do a test fit before you do this to get the feeling on where you want it placed. And when you add this, focus on the buttons here. Make sure they are centered. And you can always remove this one later on if you regret doing this. There we go. And here's a before shot. And here's how it fits on the sides, so have that in mind if you order one. That's the best I could do. I think it's not that annoying at all, since you have the aluminium trim there. I think it looks really great. I'll show you the other side as well. It looks like that. I really love this look. It looks so new and exclusive, and it really reminds you of the new facelift screen. And as you can see, that horrible button is gone. I mean, how often do you change the brightness of the display? I mean, you always have it on the highest, so I for sure will not miss it. And you might think that the reflections in it would be irritating, but since the displays are so bright, I really don't even think about it. It's not annoying at all. I just love this shiny look of it. But if you get annoyed by it, you can of course get this anti-glare film to put on there. But I really don't think you need that. So I attached the 3 glass buttons to the tape, and now I just have to cut them off this in a good way. I'll see how I do that. So there we go, they are cut out. Let's see if we can get them in place straight and good looking. So I will attempt this now. What I will do is I will take a normal transparent tape, put the tape over this one so I can hold it over here and try to get it straight. So let's see how this goes. Like that. Let's see how that goes. So that's how that turned out. So now the buttons are flush with the whole screen. And that's it for this video, just showing you how simple it is to install this new glass I made for you. And until the next video, see ya.